Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Even though there is no fast progress with regards to the construction of 6 Calvary class diesel electric submarines under the Project 75I, looks like the Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers is set to launch the first of 3 stealth frigates being built by it for the Indian Navy under Project 17A, and this is going to happen today, which is December 14, 2020. The reason why I mentioned that there is no fast progress made with Project 75I is due to the reason in deciding which foreign firm is going to collaborate with the shortlisted L&T and Mazagon Dock shipbuilders of India. This itself kept hanging without any proper conclusion for so long time. Not only that, even the selection of the air-independent propulsion system for these Project 75I class submarines is also taking such a long time. Yes, now post so much effort in coming up with the indigenous air-independent propulsion system, looks like there are news which confirms that these planned 6 diesel-electric submarines will get an imported air-independent propulsion system. The real fact to blame here is the team which has been working on it for so long. Anyway, let's come back to the topic of the launch of the first of 3 stealth frigates by Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers. Today, which is December 14, 2020, is actually a good day for Indian Navy since, as I said, the Kolkata-based Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers is set to launch the first of 3 stealth frigates. This project involves the building of 7 stealth frigates at an estimated cost of 45,000 to 50,000 crores. Out of the 7 ships planned under this project, 4 of the frigates will be constructed by Mazagon Dock Limited in Mumbai and 3 by Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers in Kolkata. The construction of the first ship, which is INS Nilgiri, was started in 2017 by Mazagon Dock, and this is the lead ship of the Nilgiri class stealth-guided missile frigates. This ship is expected to be commissioned by August 2022 tentatively. The names of these ships are taken from hills ranging across India, and they are INS Nilgiri, INS Himgiri, INS Udaygiri, INS Dunagiri, INS Taragiri, INS Vindhyagiri, and INS Mahendragiri. The ship which is being launched today at Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers is said to be the INS Himgiri. Coming to the general characteristics of these frigates, the length of these frigates stands at 149 meters, beam at 17.8 meters, and draft at 5.22 meters. The speed is estimated to be around 52 km per hour. The sensors and electronics warfare systems installed on these frigates are manufactured by BEL, like BEL Hamsa-NG Bow Sonar and BEL Ajanta Electronic Warfare System. These Nilgiri class frigates will have an improved stealth when compared to the Shivali class frigates. In addition to having the improved stealth, these frigates will have the ELM 2248 multi-function surveillance, track and guidance radar. These radars employs multi-beam and pulse Doppler techniques as well as a robust electronic countermeasures technique to extract the low radar cross-section targets from complex clutter and jamming environments. These frigates are equipped with Kavach decoy launchers, which is an anti-missile system to distract the radar-guided missiles from their targets and act as a system for self-defense. The 7 frigates will represent the most advanced class of major surface warships for the Indian Navy, and it will also feature the BrahMos supersonic surface-to-surface missile to attack ships and shore targets, and not just that, it will also have the Indo-Israeli Barak 8 surface-to-air missiles. These ships will have the BAE Systems 5-inch 62 caliber Mk-45 naval gun, the AK-630 fully automatic naval close-in weapon system, and RBU-6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers. So let us hope these shipbuilding companies finish off building all these planned 7th stealth frigates as per the plan and help in boosting Indian Navy's power. As per the sources, it looks like the first ship which is expected to be delivered by Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers in 2023 and the other 2 in 2024 and 2025 respectively. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.